Hi everyone, thanks for dropping by my YouTube channel today, where I'll be doing post-repairs final tests on Jim's Breckwell brand Pellet Stove Controller. This is an older analog controller, but actually it's in very good condition. Jim sent me this one because it was non-responsive. He had manual controls of the auger and the high fan, as well as the combustion fan, but that was it. Nothing else worked for him. I received the controller this afternoon. I spent some time doing some troubleshooting. I identified the problem area, made the necessary repairs, and now I'm ready to do final tests on it. Before we do that, let me tell you about my tester. Of course, we have Jim's controller here. It's connected to my tester. My tester has an actual auger motor behind here. The shaft comes out the front, and there's a decal that we'll see spinning when the auger motor drives. I also have 4 light bulbs in the back that simulates the different functions of your stove. One of them is the igniter, one is the combustion or exhaust blower, one is the auger motor, and the other one simulates the convection or room fan. We'll see those lights go on and off depending on what the controller calls for. So let's go ahead and turn the controller on, and we'll see a couple of the lights at the back come on. There we are. We have 2 lights. One is the combustion or exhaust fan, and the other one on the far end is the convection or room fan. It's currently on low. Since we're in manual mode, there's a few things we can check right now. First, we'll cycle through the low BCDE max positions, and we see that the convection or room fan at the far end, marked in red, the intensity increases and drops as I cycle through the switch positions. I will note that positions D, E, and max are all the same on the controller. There's no real intensity change, so that does not affect the speed of the fan. But low, B, C, D all affect the fan speed and should make the fan spin faster or slower depending on the setting. Being in low right now, the other thing I can check is the high fan switch down here. If I press it, we'll see the intensity of the light bulb go bright, and that would indicate that the fan is running to maximum speed. So I can turn that off, on, off. The other test I can do right now is the manual feed switch, and when I press it, a couple things will happen. First, the light will come on, simulating that the auger motor is on. We'll hear the little auger motor that I have at the back spin, and we'll see the decal up front here spin. So let's do that. There you see it. Manual feed, we see the light come on, we hear the auger motor spin, and we see the decal spinning as well. So that is fully functional. So that's it for the manual tests. Now let's go into automatic mode. This controller actually has the capability of turning on a heater element. So to go into automatic mode, I need to press the auger button here. 3 things will happen when I do that. First, we'll see the green light at the top here come on. That will also cause a timer on the circuit board to start counting, and that will determine when the first cycle of the auger will be. And when I release the auger button, we'll see that the igniter lamp will come on. So that sets up another 10-minute timer or so to turn the heater on to allow the pellets to ignite. Let's go ahead and do that. First we press. We see a quick cycle of the auger there, but we see the green light has come on. The timer has started, and when I release, we'll see the light come on. So release. There it is. So the timer for the igniter has come on, and it'll count down for approximately 10 minutes. We won't see that in this video, but I've already tested it, and that timer is functioning correctly. The next thing that happens is, after about 20 seconds, we saw the first cycle of the auger come on. It was a very short cycle. We'll do that one more time. Notice how short the cycle will be and how long in between cycles it is. Just wait. There it is. And we'll do that one last time. Wait for the long cycle off time and short cycle on time. That's because we're in low mode right now. After that cycle happens, we'll go to the high or max position. There it is, a short burst of pellets being dropped. So as I switch to max, we see that the convection or room fan intensity has increased. So that fan should be spinning to maximum, and the duration of time between the next auger cycle will be shortened, yet it will be longer on. Notice that. The auger was on for a much longer period of time. Let's do that one more cycle. Just waiting for the timer to elapse, and we'll see that the auger will be on for a good duration of time. And there it is. So there we have it, Jim. Everything on your controller is once again fully functional. Let me turn that to low and the controller to off. I do want to thank you very much for sending me your controller for repairs. I appreciate that a lot. For any of you viewers, if you have a pellet stove controller of your own, whether it's a Breckwell analog, a Breckwell digital, or a different brand, Quadrifire or USSC, and you have a service need for it, please check the comments below this video. You'll find my contact information. Feel free to contact me. I'll gladly answer questions. And if it comes to it, I'll give you directions on how you can send me your controller for repairs and get that done as quickly as possible. I do hope that you'll take a few seconds to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that very much. Thanks everyone. Bye-bye.